Let's explore and discuss some of the things you can expect to achieve with a whole house fan and an attic fan installed in your home. Firstly, when you install an attic fan, one of the things you'll notice is how much cooler your house stays during the day. If you own a multi-story home, you can reliably expect the upstairs level to remain 5 to 10 degrees cooler than what you're used to. This way you can stay cool anywhere in your home. Additionally, you also get to enjoy the benefit of your AC system running less during the day. This is because the attic fan helps to expel the hot air trapped in your attic, preventing it from seeping into your living spaces and making your AC work harder. As a result, your AC doesn't need to cycle on and off during the day, jacking up your electric bill. We invite you to conduct an experiment. During a hot summer day, take a measurement of the temperature in your attic and record your reading. After installation of your attic fan, measure the temperature once more and compare your results. You'll find that the temperature in your attic before you installed your attic fan could reach all the way up to the range of 135 to 150 degrees, depending on your specific attic conditions. After installing your attic fan, you'll observe that the temperature in your attic reliably stays within 5 to 10 degrees of the outside temperature, keeping your overall house temperature much lower. Now, let's breeze on over to the whole house fan. When coming home from work to a house that didn't have its AC running, you can expect the house to be hot, likely in the high 70s or low 80s. However, as soon as the outside temperature drops beneath the temperature of the inside of your home, you can open your windows and run the whole house fan. In minutes, you can lower the temperature in your home to a cool, comfortable temperature without having to rely on your AC system to do all the hard work. We also invite you to take notice of exactly how long it takes for your AC system to get your home temperature down by even 2 degrees in the summertime, and what the difference in your electric bill is over a given period of time. All of these perks come with the added benefit of quick, effective comfort and noticeable savings. On average, taking advantage of an attic fan and/or a whole house fan can save you up to 50 to 90% on your electric bill over any given amount of time, thanks to their extreme energy efficiency. To that point, you can also bet on your AC system lasting years longer because the amount of hours you depend on it significantly decreases. So instead of your AC system lasting an average of 12 years, you're looking at 20 or even 30 years. All in all, adding ventilation to your heating and air conditioning system is a game changer. Most homeowners don't have a complete HVAC system in their home because they lack proper ventilation. So put the ventilation back into HVAC with the QuietCool attic fan and whole house fan. For more information on whole house fans and attic fans and the models that are offered by us, please visit our website at QuietCoolSystems.com.